welcome to Chloe Craft. Today I'm going to show you an Easter egg activity that we can do while we're stuck in our house. I'm so sad that I can't see you because all the coronavirus is just going all around. So the things you'll need is some coloured paper. I just got some blue and some green to use. Some handy scissors. So what I'm going to be using for the paper is I'm going to be using this Kmart paper that you can get from Kmart. It's lovely in all different colours. But if you don't have that, you can just use wrapping paper while we're stuck in our house. And you also need a glue stick. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to cut this egg out. It's in spotted colour pattern. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to do an egg shape. The best container is Nutella because it has like that egg shape at the bottom. This one's kind of an oval, but that's okay if it has an oval shape. So what you're going to do is you're just going to cut around it. You also can use tin foil, but I found it better to use paper because then we don't have to draw any patterns. So back to be there. Oh. Okay, I got 4 pieces, but I probably need to use 1 because I only have 2 of, or 3 or 4 of these. So I might just, well, I need this and this. So what is the pattern's going to be is I'm going to do this as my little pattern. Pretty cute colours and they're very rainbow. So what we're going to do next is we're going to fold this green piece of paper. I'm only going to do it 4 times because I don't want this video to take too long. So what you'll do is you'll grab one side and you'll fold it all the way to the other side and then fold it on, and I have to do 2 more.
And that might be enough.
Okay. And now you unfold.
Are you going to cut it while it's folded?
Okay.
Just in half and half again. Would you like some help?
Yes.
Okay, so what we do, we cut little triangles out all the way along one of the edges. And they can be all different sizes, different lengths.
Looks very good.
Thanks. I might do 2 more.
Because otherwise if we do any more it might not fit on there. Yeah. And then when we fold it out it'll be looking pretty cool.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to unfold it now. Pretty cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my handy glue stick. And I am going to just do maybe zigzag. It's looking pretty good, guys.
Now Chloe's not putting the glue on the little zigzag bits, and you'll see why in a second.
So why I'm not gluing, I think I might have to get a bit more glue. I might use it on the paper because I just really want this to stick down. So why I'm not sticking the zigzag is because I'm going to put the eggs like so. We're going to do this. That's why.
So some bits of grass are behind and some bits are in front.
And then you can glue it down, and then I'm going to get my dotted one this time and put this one in the middle, and then I'm going to put this one. Looks like it's a big one. And then there you have it. It looks like a little bit of egg, like hiding for Easter. Hopefully also you guys have a lovely Easter. If you do, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and comment below. Tell me when you have a new idea of what craft we can do next time on Chloe Craft. Bye guys. Happy Easter. Hopefully you guys have a happy Easter as well as me.